Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Forge for Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you have already launched Minecraft version 1.2, 1.11 at least once on your computer, then close the game and the launcher. This step is important before installing Forge. Next, open your browser and go to an official website such as CurseForge or Modrinth, or directly to the official Forge website. From there, select Minecraft version 1.2, 1.11, and download the Forge installer. Once the file finishes downloading, move it to your desktop so it is easy to find. Now, double-click the Forge installer. When it opens, select Install Client and press OK. Wait for the installation to complete. If the installer does not open, install Java 21, which is required for modding newer Minecraft versions. After Forge finishes installing, open the Minecraft launcher. You should now see Forge selected. Before pressing play, go to Installations, open the game folder, and create a folder named Mods if it does not exist. Download Forge-compatible mods for version 1.2, 1.11 from CurseForge or Modrinth, and place them inside the Mods folder. Close everything, return to the launcher, and press play using Forge to test your mods. So that's basically how you can download and install Forge for Minecraft. That's it for this video. Thanks.